healthy smile starts with the right tools. Introducing the Professional Student Kit's 8-in-1 Dental Cleaning Kit by Stellmacher Instruments, crafted for precision, durability, and superior oral hygiene. This all-in-one set includes 8 essential stainless steel tools, designed for dental students, professionals, and anyone looking to elevate their oral care routine. Dental tweezers, ideal for precision handling of cotton, gauze, or small objects in the mouth. Double curved tweezers, an essential tool for precise handling in oral care. Designed with a unique dental mirror, provides a crystal clear view of those hard-to-see areas, ensuring a thorough examination. Tartar Scraper and Plaque Remover effectively removes stubborn plaque buildup, helping to prevent cavities and gum disease.